Welcome back to the Survival Gardener Minute. Today's question is from Unsalted Tomato, who asks if I have any plans to incorporate biochar in my gardens. You know, biochar has always interested me, but I am not convinced that biochar is a cure-all, and the reason it's first interested me is its connection with terra preta, the dark earth of the Amazon, and this earth that is like magical stuff, which remains good soil despite the area being very infertile. Generally, it's a super fertile soil that seems to hold on to carbon and grows everything to the point where it actually duplicates itself. I mean, I thought that terra preta stuff was fascinating, and I had read that if you just make biochar and you put it in your soil, you could get the same effect. But subsequent research tells me that that's not really the case, and they're not really making terra preta. They're playing with the idea of terra preta. Nobody really knows, so far as I can tell, how terra preta was made. So my friend Steven over at Skill Cult, being a scientist and not one of those fakey YouTubers that just steals other people's ideas, he went ahead and did beds where he put charcoal in some of the beds and he left charcoal out of some of the beds. And the first year, he saw that the yields actually declined where he put charcoal, but later on, the yields got better and better and better. So it seems like the charcoal has a good effect on the soil. So I told him I was just going to throw charcoal into my compost pile, and he said, no, I should be a scientist about it and do it bit by bit. And so, put it in some beds and leave it out of other beds. So what I'm going to do is that at some point in the future when I get around to it. So that's the answer on using biochar in my gardens, and that took almost 2 minutes for a Survival Gardener Minute. So thank you for the question. And if you guys have had interesting results, I'm not interested in seeing theoretical results or other links to stuff unless somebody has put biochar in the garden and seen great results. If you've done that or you've seen somebody that's done it, hey, share a link below this video and we'll all take a look. So let's see. Maybe together we'll figure out if it's really a good amendment or if it's a bunch of hype. So there we go. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.